Hi everyone, welcome to my show. My name is Gianna and this is Gianna's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Nutella cookies, also known as chocolate hazelnut spread. And it is a perfect, super easy recipe for the holidays. So come on in the kitchen and I will show you what to do. Alright, so I have my cutting board here with my glass bowl and my flour. I have 1 room temperature egg and I have Nutella. Now this is Aldi's version of Nutella. It's their Berry Hill hazelnut spread and it is wonderful. I actually have Alright, so I have changed to a ceramic bowl. It'll be easier to mix it in. I have my Nutella and my egg and I'm going to whip it for 2 minutes with the hand beaters, electric beaters. Now that I've incorporated everything and it looks good, see how smooth and creamy it is, I'm going to add a little scant less than a cup of flour. You can always add more flour, but you really cannot take it away. So I'm going to do this much. All right, our dough looks like Tootsie Roll batter and it's been chilled. Our oven has been preset to 350 and now we are going to get about 16 to 18 balls and we're just going to take a teaspoon. If you have a cookie scoop, use that instead. All right, we now have random plops on our cookie sheet. We're going to roll these into uniform balls and then we're going to take our thumb and ever so slightly just make a little imprint like you would a peanut butter cookie. Soon this will be filled with a dollop of Nutella and then we will bake them. All right, so I have filled my plastic Ziploc bag with Nutella. We want to garnish all of our cookies with a little dollop of Nutella. So I'm just going to do a little clip here. And I'm just going to squirt this in. Be generous. These are Nutella cookies after all. After this, I'm going to put a little sprinkle of walnut or almond. You can do whatever you have in your pantry. You could really actually do hazelnuts. That would be delicious and that would enhance the flavor more, but I'm going to use walnuts. All right, I have my chopped walnuts that I bought at Aldi. Love Aldi's nut selection. I'm just going to put a few on top just for garnish. If you want more, please go ahead and do more. We're going to be baking these for 10 minutes at 350. As soon as you do this step, you are ready to bake. All right, our cookies are done. They look beautiful. They're going to be so warm and chewy, and when you eat them, make sure that they're warm. All right, for all of my Nutella chocolate hazelnut fans, here I go. I've got my cookie and it is warm and I'm gonna just dive in. So warm, actually very warm. This cookie is divine. If you love Nutella, you have to make these. I actually sell these and you can look below and figure out how to order. The Nutella is ooey gooey. It's almost like a brownie cookie with a big plop of Nutella. The nuts give it a nice crunch. Definitely a cookie that you'd want on your holiday platter this year. Please subscribe to my channel and share. I will see you next week on Gianna's Kitchen. Have a great week.